What's going on, guys? Another quick video for you today. Today I'm going to be doing an oil change on my 2012 Ram 1500. Let's get started. This job's real simple, so what you're going to need is 7 quarts of 5W20. I like to use Mobile 1. You're going to need your oil filter, a new drain plug, and then a 13mm socket. You're also going to need an oil pan and a funnel, and then I also like to have some rags, just so that way I don't make a mess. So first things first, you're going to take this drain plug out, make sure that your pan's underneath, and let the oil drain out. So next, you're going to wipe everything down, and you're going to install your new drain plug. So next, you're going to grab this oil filter here, you're going to spin that off, and you're going to drop it down into this oil pan here. So next, you're just going to take your new oil filter out of the box and install it. So just take a little bit of oil, put it around here. So now for the last part of this, you're just going to open up your fill cap here, put your funnel in there, and then you're going to fill up the rest of your oil, which is 7 quarts. Now you're going to use your dipstick to check that you filled up all the way. So next, you're just going to start up the truck, let the oil cycle through, and then probably in like 15 minutes after the truck's settled, check the oil again, see if it needs to be topped off, top it off if it needs it, and then you're done. So yeah, super simple. Anybody can do it, just simple tools. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.